I would like to welcome you to my channel. My name is Yuri Konstantinov. I am a businessman, investor, traveler, and father of 3 wonderful children. And I would like to tell you all why this channel is called Dream House and what will be on it. Here we will talk about not only how to buy or build a home, but to also find your dream home where you will live in excellence, what most people dream about. Me and my family have traveled a lot in the last 20 years and have visited over 40 countries all over the world. And in 2017, for the first time, we decided to spend our winter outside of our home country, mostly in Asian countries like Thailand and Singapore, Bali and Sri Lanka, and the Arab Emirates. And currently we live in the Dominican Republic. But why specifically live the island lifestyle? And how do you adapt to a new lifestyle in a new country? What are the upsides and downsides? All of this you will see on this channel, Dream House. So subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell. I am 100% sure that this information will be useful for you guys. And it's quite difficult to get a channel up on its feet, but I believe that with the information available on this channel, we will quickly grow. Because this channel is about life, specifically about how to live in heaven, in paradise. Because I believe that the Dominican island is a heavenly island. And that's not just my opinion. This is the opinion of many people who come here for a week to rest, and in the end stay here for the rest of their lives. And this is a common story of many expats who live here that we know of. On this channel, I will not only show you how to rent or buy property, houses, apartments, what is their rent costs, etc., but also how to adapt to a new country, how to live in a new country. Because for a lot of people, this is a very difficult task. There is a language barrier, and I'll also help you give advice on how to quickly learn a language in the country that you live in. And of course, I'll start with the Dominican Republic because we all have been living here for the last 2 years. And we like it here a lot. Our children go to school here and to kindergarten, and they have a lot of friends amongst the Russian-speaking expats and other expats, as well as the local children. So you can always adapt to any new country and any new environment. Also, we'll touch upon about how to buy produce and what's the cost of living here, and like how to buy a car, how to rent a motorbike, like which schools to send your kids to, and all these other separate nuances I will share with you on this channel. And most important, I'll also show you how to earn money online and offline in a new country that you are living in currently. Because the times are changing and there are new factors in play, and old ways of doing things are not always up to date. Because now we're living in the epoch of online business, and I will give you my personal experience on how we adapted and how we live here, and other nuances. So please subscribe, hit the like button, and please hit the notification bell. And watch out for new videos. Have a good day. This has been Yuri Konstantinov on the channel Dream House. Have a good day. Goodbye.